Hello, today we're going to be making an MIT app using the MIT App Inventor that can use the internet. For starters, we're going to make the name of your app. Mine is going to be, my font size is going to be 50. The width of it will fill the patent, and the text will be internet. And I'm going to align it in the center. To start, I'm going to add a horizontal arrangement and add 2 buttons in there for 2 basic websites. You can add more, but I'm just going to do 2. New name, website 1. Website 2. So now we're going to go to the blocks. To start, we're going to add, when website 1 click, go to another screen. The name of the screen will be website 1. I'm going to add the website 1 screen, website 1. On website 1, we're going to add a web viewer that should take up the whole screen. And in blocks, we're going to do when website 1 initialize, call web viewer 1 to go to URL. The URL will be I'm going to make it Google, and to check, I'm going to make sure I get the right link by copying it over. Now it will go to Google. Now I'm going to go back to screen 1, designer. Now you can make it go to any other website. The text for this button, I'm going to make it Google. And the second button, I'm going to put in MIT App Inventor 2. And I'm going to add another screen. Website 2. I'm going to add a web viewer for the whole page. The blocks, I'm going to do when website 2 initialize, call web viewer 1 to go to blank. And I'm going to double check for the link, Control C. And now it'll go to that. So we're going to go back to screen 1, When website 2 click, go to another screen. The screen name will be website 2. And now, because I'm doing it, and my favorite color is green, I'm going to make the background green. I'm going to do a little fixing up. So with fill paint. And that's it. We can also test in the emulator, where